Morning, this is Sean. Just doing a quick little video review of my KitchenAid coffee grinder. It has the 70 settings and the model number. You can see the KCG8433. Wish I would have gave it a better model number, but what can you do? This machine is really good for your $200 range machine, at least in terms of features, and actually does really quite good espresso. First thing you can see, it has a nice little container for your beans, and look at that, your beans don't like fly off everywhere. But of course, if you need to switch your birds, you gotta move for the beans. But see, you just twist and pull and the little burr will come out. And it only has one way to lock, which is nice. A second. Sorry about that, technical difficulties, but as you can see, like once you only when it's secure, it will tell you your grind setting that you're at, tell you how many cups. And I like about this machine, I'll go up to 10. You just rotate the dial, and you can program it to adjust it, how long you want the grind to go, and you can add time. We'll go up to maybe 96 seconds, and keep swiveling. You can pretty much go forever how long you want, which is nice. And I like on this machine, you got French press, you got your percolator, drip, and a good section slider for espresso, which I think is definitely quite handy. So it gives you a wide range of coffee grinding options for what all your brewing needs. I'm doing this one-handed, so please bear with me. But for me, I have, with the beans that I'm using, is the Charleston Coffee Roaster Signature Blend. You can pick this up at Costco. It's really good coffee that's made here in South Carolina. So I made me some espresso earlier today, but what I like about this machine, as you can see, I got the portafilter adapter on. You can just pull this off and you slide it in here when you're done, which is a good feature. And the grinds don't really spit too much out of the range where the grinds come from. I did some grinds at the 64, about 18 seconds, and this is enough to fill up my portafilter, which is a 58 with a 21 gram basket. And to give you a better look at the grinds, so they're really nice and uniform. They're fluffy. I guess that's a more technical term, but they combine and compact to do really good coffee, and especially what you would want from any type of machines, as it says it can do espresso. So I'm just gonna click that off. But I'll show you how easy it is to put in your portafilter. This is my new basket that I got. It's a bottomless 58 millimeter for my machine. You just push it in and it locks it in. Here you can have it centered, and you can definitely, while it's coming, you can try to help keep the grind centered, so that's pretty nice. And here's the original one that came in my Pasquini. It's definitely a lot bigger, but if you have one that's similar to this, it will also fit in there, so you can put your grinds, but it does almost touch the drip tray. But I'll just do some grinds to do a comparison. I'm just using a paper plate, and I'm going to print some grinds, and I'll be back in a couple seconds. So I'll start off with the coarsest. You can see it can do a wide range of different grinds. This is pretty good representation, and they're all nice and pretty much uniform on whatever setting that you have it set to. So like I said, if you need a machine that, can do espresso, but you also want like forever types of coffee in the $200 range, I definitely would give it a recommendation, especially right now, since as I filmed it is November, and they are offering on KitchenAid's website, you can get it for $140, but on Bed Bath & Beyond they're also honoring it at $140, plus you can also use a 20% off coupon to get it down to $120 before tax. So it's a pretty good deal for the build quality and the features of this machine. My only negative I'd say about this machine is I wish it did have a slightly bigger holder for the beans, and wish it was made out of all metal, but I mean, what do I expect for the price range, But anyway, I hope this video helps. You know, there's not too many videos about their 70 setting burr grinder, but so if hopefully this will convince you to either, hey, I want to save my money, give me to get a higher end one, or if, hey, I want a universal machine, this definitely will do the job for me. So have a great rest of the day, and that's it for now.